guys, I found all these cool things. Okay, right here we have camera, file, portal, spawn NPC, type, sticky piston, amber character name, and also redstone Dustin, also brewing stand, also tile bubble color name, and we also have stone file and water block, lava block, and tile your glowing block. Also nettle we cordon, stone cordon, redstone torch, tile underwater torch name, and then tile flame name, tile skull name, and also spawn action, and also tile and gateway name, and also tile written furnace name. Guys, subscribe for more for all the cool things we got, guys. And also, we're gonna throw all these down to the ground. 2, 1. Oh. Somehow I can't not take out the file, and I'm bringing one. No, I'm bringing one of you over here. And it's somehow white. Guys, this is super cool that I could get these items, these secret items, because I literally got these items from literally like toolbox, guys. And how? Well, guys, I'm gonna show you how I got these from toolbox, guys. So all you have to do, guys, is you have to go and search, guys, and you have to you have to search all the way to the downish edge, guys, and you will see all the secret things down here, guys. So these are all the secret things, guys, that I could found. And guys, subscribe for more. Goodbye.